Hello there again. So now we're going to be assembling the Pride Go-Go Elite Traveler, and we will start by connecting the floorboard to the rear axle. Just make sure these two holes line up to the hooks so that we can then go ahead and lock. Go ahead and unloosen or loosen the knob. Tighten it back up there. Grab the battery. Drop it right in there. Here we have your basket. Snap the basket up. There we go. Lastly, you just want to line up the peg with the pole and just drop it in there. Just like that, and we're all done.